Okay, so you want to have your pot or your pan. You can fill it about halfway with water. You want to have your glass bowl so the steam can come up to the glass bowl and melt all of your ingredients. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be making breast milk lotion. My daughter is 2 months old, so I've been doing this for about 2 months now, and I've been looking at different ways to use the breast milk. And our daughter, she has like really bad, I guess you could say, acne or eczema. So we've been trying Eucerin, Aquaphor, and all the pediatrician recommended stuff. And it's so many antibodies and vitamins and just natural things in our breast milk, so I figured why not make a breast milk lotion. So today I'll be showing you how to make the breast milk lotion, and the ingredients I use are coconut oil, vitamin E oil, beeswax pellets. You can either get the white beeswax pellets or the yellow beeswax pellets. Of course, the milk. You need containers, like some type of glass bowl, and a whisk, and either a pan or a pot so you can boil the water so the water can melt everything together. Okay, so you want to have your pot or your pan. You can fill it about halfway with water. You want to have your glass bowl so the steam can come up to the glass bowl and melt all of your ingredients. So you can either use a tablespoon or a teaspoon, 1 1/2 of whichever one you choose. So I'm going to turn my water on, and I'm using a tablespoon. So then you want to do 1.5 cups of the coconut oil. This is my coconut oil from Myers. It's like $7 or $8 maybe. Oh, also, whenever you plan on doing the breast milk lotion, you want to prepare yourself. You want to have your coconut oil in like a really warm place so it can melt down, instead of you having to like use so much strength to scoop it out. You can just pour it into the cup. Then I'll do like another maybe almost full cup, because I didn't do a full cup the first time. It's not really coming out. I'm gonna use this to help it. So you just pouring everything in. The vitamin E oil is best to use like 3 to 4 drops, but I don't necessarily have a dropper, so I'm just gonna guesstimate when I pour it in. So just guesstimating. So they say that the vitamin E oil is good for like really dry skin, acne, just skin irritations, and you can even use the vitamin E oil in your hair. What you want to do is you want to use your whisk and just start whisking everything together. You want everything to like break down completely. And as you can see, all the little pellets already broke down and melted. The water at like at least medium, it shouldn't take more than 5 to 7 minutes for everything to break down. If you want to see, everything is like really broken down. I'm just gonna set this here with all the ingredients and measurements that I use, you want to use 4 ounces of breast milk, and you can use freshly pumped breast milk, or you can pull it from the freezer stash, or if you just have milk in the refrigerator, or you can just, you know, pump and literally just dump in here. So I'm using 4 ounces. You want to just pour it in slowly as you're whisking. And then you want to bring everything in together. Some type of consistency, so you want everything to pretty much blend really well. Go from the middle and whisk out a little bit, and as you can see, everything is starting to mix together. So you can whisk for about 5 to 7 minutes to get a really good consistency. And make sure you keep going towards the middle of the liquid, just so you can bring the liquid from the middle out into the whole mixture of the bowl. And you can kind of see like everything mixed together. It's looking like mine is pretty much mixed together already. I'm gonna go in the middle one. Okay, so now that everything is pretty much mixed together, I don't see any just clear or watery spots. It looks like everything is mixed really well. So you want to take this mixture and you want to chill it for an hour in the refrigerator. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator so it can chill for an hour. And then you want to let that sit in the refrigerator for an hour. And then we're going to take it back out and chop it up a little bit, whisk it again, and then we'll pour it over into our container. Okay, so it's been an hour now. The mixture has been in the refrigerator, so now I can take it out. So it kind of looks like this now, like a thick little mixture, kind of hardened. So now you want to take the whisk and kind of chop through it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the lotion mixture and put it in the container. Make sure you buy containers that either have lids, or basically you want to make sure that these can't get like any air in them. You want to make sure they're really sealed tight. So I wouldn't say plastic containers or plastic lids, because I don't feel like they'll stay on as well. But so just make sure you put the lids on really tight. And then once you let the container sit in like a really cool, dark place, Like you can set them in like a closet or a place in the house where you keep the room cool. And then you can just use the lotion, rub it on your baby's skin, or also you can use it for baby's acne. You can use it for eczema, diaper rash, dry, irritated, or just like pilly skin. You can use it for cradle cap. You can just rub the lotion in their hair, like just massage their hair, you know. Don't brush it in because that pulls their hair out. Just give them a nice little gentle massage in the head. And you can use it for stretch marks as well. And you just rub it on your stretch marks and let it dry before you put any clothes on, because you want to let that soak into your skin before the clothes wipe it off. And that's it. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for the next video. I'll be trying breast milk soap bars with oatmeal in it, because they say oatmeal is really good for the skin too. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.